Hi, in this video we will discuss about one of the most eminent law college in India, that is Army Institute of Law, having motto Aspire and Achieve. So this particular college was established in year 1999 by Indian Army, but the society which take care of this college is AWES, that is Army Welfare Education Society. So initially when it was established, it was having location at Patiala, but later on in year 2003 it was shifted to Sector 68 Mohali, and it was being inaugurated by His Excellence APJ Abdul Kalam. And this particular college has recognition of Punjabi University and it is approved by Bar Council of India. It provides both type of courses, that is BA-LLB and LLM, that is 1 year LLM. BA-LLB is of 5 years and LLM is of 1 year. So only these two types of courses are available in this particular college. And this college has 80 seats, out of which 60 are being reserved for army people and 16 are reserved for those people who are resident in Punjab, and rest 4 are for those people who are from India, anywhere from India. So in total it have 80 seats. For getting admission you have to give an entrance exam, and you should have a minimum marks in class 12th and in your LLB if you are pursuing for LLM. And you have to give an entrance exam that is called AIL-LET, that is the full form of this particular college. And if it comes to infrastructure part, this college has a very good infrastructure. It has its own sports complex, it has gym and all other facilities like library, moot court facility, dining area, cafeteria. This college has everything on infrastructure part. And if we come to placement part, if we see previous record, it has a good placement record, like most of the students get campus placement, and the highest package which student get is around 12 lakh to 13 lakh, and lowest is around 5 lakh 50,000 to 6 lakh rupees. So it has a placement facility. And if we come to fees part, if you do 5 years integrated course, that is BA-LLB, it has fees around 6 lakh 45,000 or 6 lakh 50,000. And if you do LLM from here, it has fees around 1 lakh 45,000, 1 lakh 50,000 around. So this is fees part, and we have discussed about placement, and we have discussed about infrastructure, we have discussed about credential. Like if I tell you it is recognized as A plus, or you can say NAAC has given it A plus rating, and India Today magazine, if you have heard about it, India Today magazine has given it 14th rank in all over India. And we have discussed this, and we have discussed about the past or history of this particular college and number of seats available in this college. And if we talk about particularly of year 2021, so if you visit the official website of this college, you will find that there is a notification in which it is said that for any admission, please check this website after 1st June. So you can check that after 1st June, that when will entrance test will be conducted by this college. And if you have any query, you can email them. It has email info@ail.ac.in. You can email them on this email ID for any query or anything. And if you have any doubt, you can also comment in comment box. I will surely reply on that. So this is all about AIL, that is Army Institute of Law, one of the best or one of the premier law colleges in India. So try if you can get admission in this college. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends who want to know about this college, and please do subscribe my channel.